Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum brother, sister. Today we are here at Annar restaurant, one of the restaurant inside the mall, California, Fremont. There's a restaurant serves halal food, halal meat, different kind of dish. We're going to inside order the food and test the food. How does it taste? Please stay with us to end of this video. Also, don't forget subscribe our channel, support your halal food tester. For your support, for your comments and subscribe, I'm going to your town and your city. I fly, travel city to city, country to country for review halal food. Let's go inside, order the food and test the food. Let's go. So, Assalamu alaikum brother.
Brother.
Awesome. I'm Ali. Thank you so much. I see that you guys have served halal food. I'm really appreciated for
Yes,
that.
we do. We have the best halal food, Mediterranean taste. So we do the best food quality and everything fresh.
Awesome.
So we do it by order.
Okay.
Everything fresh.
Okay.
Everything is halal.
Halal, 100%.
Yes, 100% halal.
What's your famous dishes here?
So actually we have the kobida. It's called Shami Kebab.
Shami Kabob.
In Afghan people, they know it. It's Shami Kebab.
Okay.
So in Middle Eastern people, they know it. It's called Kofta Kebab.
Kofta Kebab. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we do have the best kofta kebab here.
Okay.
We have hummus, falafel also. The best hummus and falafel fresh.
Really?
So we made everything from the scratch.
Awesome.
So any fresh and 100% halal food.
Awesome. Thanks for your service, man.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I come cook
Oh
together?
yeah, sure. Of course.
Thank you
You're
so much.
welcome and you can come in.
So,
no problem.
thanks for Muhammad and your manager Annar here. Also, we're going to inside the kitchen. We're cooking together halal kofta kebab and shami kebab and different kind of dishes they are having. We cook together and we taste it. How does it taste? Let's go inside. Now we start cooking the shami kebab. That's right, yeah?
Yeah, it's called kofta.
Okay.
And some people they call it Afghani people. It's called shami kebab.
Okay.
Middle Eastern people it's called kofta kebab. So we
Kofta
made
kebab.
it fresh every day.
Okay.
So we have the best kofta kebab. So I want to let you guys also try my chicken shish kebab.
This is the chicken shish kebab, yeah?
Yes, so we do the best chicken shish kebab.
Wow. MashaAllah.
Yep, it's fresh and 100% halal.
Okay.
Same thing I explained to you.
Awesome. Oh, you guys have French fries also, yeah?
So yeah, we do falafel, we do French
falafel,
fries,
French
fresh
fries, okay.
oil every day.
Okay.
We change the oil. We have the best chicken gyro too.
Awesome. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Jerusalem, Palestine.
Palestine.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So the chef teach me how do I make a falafel. So how do I do?
So you just go like this, hold this one
Okay.
all the way down, and with this plastic spoon, and just go around like this. Don't go too hard,
Okay.
and then drop it like this in the oil.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's try it.
Sure.
First time in all my life.
Slowly. Yep, there you go.
Oh, I got it.
Amazing, good job. The best.
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you,
No
brother.
problem,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. So our kofta fresh, I told you, and juicy.
Awesome.
And our chicken shish kebab. Also, we do have the best chicken shish kebab. We do have the lamb kebab too. We have the
MashaAllah.
beef kebab, beef shish kebab. So everything fresh. Everything is the real Mediterranean taste.
MashaAllah.
It's really tasty and juicy.
Awesome.
So this is called tzatziki sauce.
Okay.
So we do salad on top of it. There is a cucumber, parsley. So we do few slices of onions. We do have few slices of pickle. Fresh tomato. So I do have my fresh chicken. I just cut it from the sikh.
Mouth-watering. Looks delicious.
Yes, sir. Delicious, juicy, fresh. So a few slices of tahini sauce on top of it.
Okay.
Let's make the taste amazing.
You have your own recipe sauce, yeah?
Everything my own
Awesome.
and everything from zero.
Awesome.
And I tasted the end in the grill with little olive oil in the bottom.
Wow. Look at
Let's
that.
make it like so there you go, guys. I want you to try my falafel and let me know how you like it.
Okay.
It's
will try.
amazing falafel and fresh.
Awesome.
Then I got like 3 plates. I wanted them to try the kebabs, how they taste like. So now the gyro is ready to go.
Okay.
It's amazing, good size,
Awesome.
and also cheap and fresh.
Awesome.
So we serve the best always.
Great. Look at this.
Amazing,
Wow.
amazing gyro.
Yes, sir.
My own salad dressing.
Oh, your own salad. Okay.
Salad dressing.
Okay.
So we don't get any salad dressing from outside. Everything we made it right here.
Awesome.
So I have my own bread, like the Mediterranean bread.
Okay.
So we can
Wow.
go to the second step. Grab the rice.
Why the color is yellow? This is
So I put za'afaran.
saffron.
So I
Saffron
make
here.
half in white, half the pan white, and the other half yellow.
Okay.
And I mix it up, so it's become like half white and half yellow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Today we have saffron rice.
Yes, sir. My juicy kofta kebab.
Beautiful decoration. Look at
Yes,
this.
sir. still have a lot of things to do for the plate. So this is parsley on top. We do have some onion on the side. We do have another pickle. So now we want to start with our falafel plate.
Falafel plate.
Yes, sir. So yeah, Julie, I do hummus, baba ganoush, falafel, salad.
Okay.
But right now I'm out of baba ganoush.
Okay.
But always I give baba ganoush, salad, hummus. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank
guys
you,
welcome.
Muhammad.
You guys.
So, our the combo kebab and with falafel plate is ready. Now we go outside, test the food. Then Muhammad gonna bring for us the gyro, chicken gyro also.
Sure.
Now
I
we're going
will.
to outside. Thank
Sure,
you so much.
Sure. You guys welcome anytime.
So basically our food is ready. Let's test the combo kebab plate. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's try start from Kofta Kebab.
That's my favorite actually.
Yeah, that's Kofta
He
Kebab.
puts
Yeah?
a lot of different seasoning in there. It's just it's delicious.
Awesome, awesome. Wow, so delicious, tender. It's amazing, kind of juicy, spongy. It's so delicious. Thank you so much.
This is gyro plate.
Oh, this gyro plate. Wow. This sauce is a special sauce you are making.
Special sauce, yeah. He made. I mean, that's his own recipe. Actually, he's the one who's making it. You want to come? You want to come up see? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sid Muhammad.
Yeah,
it's
Sid Muhammad.
amazing.
Yeah,
I
he
just
can
tried
help
Kofta Kebab. It was really good. Tell me about this special sauce you made by yourself.
So I made it. I told you my secret. I made it from the scratch. You know.
Wow.
I wish you could tell me the secret, but I never made it.
Wow.
Always my best, like for myself.
Guys, when you come to Annar
House.
Kebab house, don't forget salad and especially the sauce the Muhammad make by
Thank you
himself.
so much.
Thank
so
you.
we have some more new stuff coming soon. We have.
Okay.
We will add chicken shawarma. We'll add beef shawarma.
Okay.
So we'll have a lot of things new. Like
Baba
we have-
ganoush.
Yeah, we do have baba ganoush.
Baba
we do have
what's
tabbouleh salad.
Baba ganoush?
Baba ganoush. We made it from eggplant. We roast the eggplant.
Okay.
I roast the eggplant and I mix it up with tahini sauce, fresh lemon juice, garlic.
Wow.
So I mix it up. It's amazing stuff.
Awesome, awesome. So let's try hummus, yeah?
Almost.
Yeah, hummus. Yeah, it's the best hummus.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
try it. And
Let's try Palestinian hummus because these guys come from
Palestinian Jordanian.
Palestinian Jordan hummus. You make them by yourself.
Thank you so much, guys, for coming.
Combination of two
Enjoy.
different countries. Yeah, you can
Yes.
sit down, but you can
Yeah,
do more
Palestinian
explanation.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
How is it? Is it good?
It's
good.
it's amazing.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing.
You
Guys,
will come anytime. And
don't miss hummus in Annar restaurant. Let's try chicken kebab.
Chicken shish kebab.
Chicken shish kebab. Wow. Everything is so delicious. I keep honest. Saffron rice. Wow. You guys have saffron rice back in your home?
Oh yeah, we do. We have that.
You have saffron rice?
Yeah.
Okay. Falafel, I should eat by itself or should little bit
can have it
touch
with the
with the
hummus.
with the hummus?
Yeah,
Okay.
just dip it like with hummus or
Okay.
with hummus on top of it.
Okay.
And you can have it by itself too
You
also.
make us hungry with all those bites. Seriously. It makes everything from scratch. He doesn't want to buy those containers. Basically
There is
pre-made.
falafel, they are
Yeah.
selling it in a wholesale. Like
So that's why
powder.
an Kebab house wants to be unique. Actually, wants to be wants to serve the
Of
whole
course,
community with
yeah.
the fresh and also you know, everything from scratch basically.
Yeah, of course.
Let's open the
That's how we
falafel.
learn, you know.
Yeah.
Look at the falafel. Wow.
So we launched this business back in December last year, 2019, before COVID-19 actually.
Okay.
So we're open for 2 months, and after that we closed down for 5 or 6 months actually.
Wow.
So and now
you're
we're back
reopen-
in business. We opened like about a week ago.
Okay.
And Muhammad is the one basically handling the whole
All the business.
restaurant, the whole
Okay.
kitchen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. How many days a week you guys open?
What's that?
How many days a week?
How it's 7 days a week. 7 days a week, 11 to 8 p.m.
11 to 8
11
p.m.
to 8 p.m. And also we do cater too actually.
Okay, okay.
We do cater for all events, wedding, corporate meetings, you know, any occasion basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you guys also is online some.
Yes, we do have online. We have a website called annarkebabhouse.com.
Okay.
They can order. They can, you know, basically, you know, anything online. Yeah, they can order online.
Okay, awesome. So let's try the chicken gyro.
So if you go ahead and put some tahini sauce on top, it will be
This sauce.
yeah,
Yeah.
tahini
Okay.
sauce. It's
This
called
tiny sauce.
Tahini sauce, yeah.
Tahini sauce. What's meaning tahini sauce?
So we made it from the tahini.
Okay, okay. Wow, gyro, chicken gyro is amazing, guys. Everything looks so delicious. Is it delicious? Let's try. Let's try something else.
Go ahead.
This one,
Yep.
sauce here. Wow. It's amazing. It's so delicious. Everything's so professional. Inside the kitchen, so clean, and everything is awesome. Guys, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks
you guys
for everything.
coming.
Thanks for
Even though we're
something.
not ready actually. So
I know,
I
it's
texted you
like-
last
yeah,
night,
yeah.
but you know.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for
Thank you so
everything.
much, guys, for coming.
It's amazing to. We have everywhere, every city, every country. We have halal meat, halal
Oh,
food,
yeah, of
halal
course,
restaurant.
Of course.
That's why I decided to go to country, city to city, test, review halal food. That's why I'm here. Thanks everything. Thank you so
much.
Muhammad,
Thank you for
brother.
Thank you,
coming.
guys.
See you next time.
Thank you,
so
brother.
much.
Thank you.
Take
All
care.
right,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Of
Thank you,
course,
brother.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Ya Allah, salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Guys, the owner and the chef was so amazing. Great hosting, great hospitality, and good welcoming. Really good. Everything is so professional. I really appreciate from Annar Annar Kebab House, and location New Park Mall, Fremont, California. If you guys enjoy the halal food, if you want to try halal food, just come here, or you guys can call for Annar Kebab House order and just come pick up your order, or you are on dining, you come here, there's a place for dining. Also, don't forget subscribe our channel. The people subscribe my channel, put a nice comment. I really appreciate it. I promise you guys, I go to city, country to try, review halal food. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and share with your family, friend. Support your halal food tester. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Ya Allah, salam alaikum.